Wondering if you can tap into the power of Sora AI without spending a dime? Let's explore the exciting possibilities of using Sora AI for free. Right now, direct, widespread free access to OpenAI's Sora AI is not publicly available. Think of Sora as a cutting-edge technology, still undergoing extensive testing and refinement by OpenAI. They are carefully controlling who gets to experience it. However, that doesn't mean you're completely out of luck. When it comes to experiencing similar iPod video generation for free, the AI landscape is evolving incredibly fast, and there are amazing alternatives already offering free tiers or generous trial periods. These platforms allow you to experiment with generating short video clips from text prompts. Just like Sora promises, you can explore various styles, create animated scenes, and see what's possible with AI Artistry. To get started with free AI video generation, your first step is to research and identify these alternative platforms. Look for terms like free AI video generator or AI video creation trial. You'll find many options with user-friendly interfaces. Once you find a platform, the next step is usually to sign up for an account. Many offer a free tier that grants you a set number of video generations per month, or a trial period where you can access premium features for a limited time. The core experience is straightforward. You'll typically input a text description of the video you want to create. Be descriptive. The more detail you provide about the scene, characters, and desired actions, the better the AI can interpret your vision. After you input your prompt and hit generate, the AI will work its magic. You'll then be able to preview the generated video clips. You can then download, share, or use these creations as you see fit, depending on the platform's terms. While direct free access to Sora AI is limited, exploring these accessible alternatives opens up a world of creative possibilities with AI-generated video. Keep an eye on Sora's official announcements, as their access model may change in the future.